Okay, so we are in our collection section still, and we're looking at sets, and in this section we're going to look at the difference method. So the first thing we're going to do is create a set, and we'll do that by copying a previously existing set. So let's create a set, fruits, and we set it to apple, orange and banana. We won't look at the ID this time, so we just print out our set and we will call it fruits. In fact, what we'll do is we'll call it fruits 1 because we're going to make a second set in a second. So fruits underscore 1 is what we're going to call it. And let's just label that so that we know what it is. So fruits 1. And we can run that little snippet of code. And here we get our fruits 1. Let's put a little code on there as well. And we got fruits 1. So now let's go along and create another set. We're just going to do that. Let's create another set, and this time we'll call our set fruits 2. So we'll have to change our label to fruits 2 and also the variable here that we're printing out. And we're going to change the items in fruits 2 to be different types of fruits. So mango, we'll use an orange, we won't use an orange, let's use a lemon, and we will put an orange in here because we're going to create one item in this set that overlaps an item in this set. So we could have done banana actually. We could pick any one of these, just picking orange so it's not in the same position so that we could, completely verify. Anyway, we can now print out both of these sets. So we've got fruits 1 and fruits 2, and the duplicated one, well, it's been moved to the end anyway. Actually, orange is the end one on both of them. So that's what we have. Now we want to return the difference. So let's just do this diff. So we'll do fruits 1 dot difference, and we see here that when we do difference, we return the difference of 2 or more sets as a new set. So we're getting a new set back here. We get a set that's an iterable inside the method. So we're going to do fruits 1 difference, and then inside the brackets we're going to do fruits 2, and we're going to get something back. So we're going to have to create a variable so that the return value can be assigned to that variable. So we are just going to copy this part out here, paste it in here, because that's effectively what we're going to do, is return the difference between two or more sets as a new set. And it says 2 or more sets, so we could probably try more than 2 sets there. Let's just do difference, and inside of here we need an iterable. The iterable that we're going to put in is fruits 2. Now if we put in fruits 1, there's no difference between fruits 1 and fruits 1, so we'd expect to get nothing back. Whereas if there is a difference between fruits 1 and fruits 2, we'll be able to see that. And what we're actually going to see is all elements that are in this set but not the others. So we'll put in fruits 2, and we'll assign this to a variable, and we're going to call our variable something like different underscore fruits is equal to the fruits 1 dot difference to fruits 2, and we will print, if I can just take all of this, and paste it in, and here we will just call it, we're going to label it different fruits, just like that. So we're going to see something else appear here, which is going to be, and we can already kind of like see that it's a variable and it's a set. We can see that that's with the Python interpreter's already seen it as a set, so it's expecting to get a set back, and we will print that set, so we'll get a third set out there, and that'll be the different fruits set. So let's just run this little piece of code, and actually I will also put this here just as a little side note for ourselves. we are expecting to get all elements that are in this set, but not the others. So everything that's in the fruits 1 set, but that is not in the fruits 2 set. So we go and run our code, and we see that we've got different fruits over here. I'll put a little colon just for the sake of. We've got different fruits, and we've got banana and apple, and we see here that fruits 1 has banana, apple and orange. Fruits 2 has lemon, mango and orange. So in fruits 1, banana and apple are the 2 items that do not exist in fruits 2, and that is a difference. Orange does exist in fruits 2, so orange is excluded, and this is what we get back. And that is the difference function on 2 or more sets, so we could put in other sets as well if we wanted to. And that's it.